Come a little closer. Hello friends! Today I'm so excited to share with you the journey and the inspirations that went into creating the brand new House Sparrow Crochet Sweater! This past fall, I had spent many afternoons in the downtown park while adjusting to being back in the big city. Exploring the green spaces and watching the animals go about their lives was very relaxing. The tiny house sparrows were especially endearing. Even the end of the yarn ball looked like a sparrow's nest. I was so excited. This sweater was designed to be as cozy as these adorable birds look. To emulate their appearance, the sweater has an oversized fit with snug sleeves. The texture created in this design is not only beginner friendly, but also reminds me of the lovely details in the sparrow's wings. If you would like to create the House Sparrow Sweater yourself, you can visit Poppysmicks.com to download the crochet pattern. Also, I absolutely love to see pictures of your creations that you make, so please feel free to email me or tag me on social media.
Are they getting them?
A big thank you goes out to all the lovely pattern testers that helped me bring the House Sparrow Sweater to life. If you're interested in being a Poppysmicks pattern tester, you can sign up to the newsletter so that you're notified when there's a new call for applications. If you're new to Poppysmicks, we go on adventures together on Fridays, learning and creating artwork about the natural world. Be sure to subscribe today to join this creative community. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Testing, testing, blah, blah, blah.